Headache English, be goal-oriented. Today, we are going to learn the following. Number 1. List of confusing words with meanings. Number 2. Sentence samples. Number 3. Quiz. And number 4. Advanced level practice.
Here are the words to discuss for our headache English. Breath, breathe. Complement, compliment. Duel, duel. Lose, lose. Tortuous, torturous.
Breath versus breathe. Breath, noun. The air we taken it out.
Breathe, verb. Take air into the lungs and release, puff.
Examples. Breath. Adler took a deep breath and tried calling Cassie again.
Breathe. I want to breathe fresh air, how about we go mountain climbing?
Let us use the words together. Donnie's breath suddenly changed to a short burst, he breathed rapidly because of the news.
Compliment versus compliment. Compliment, noun. A thing that brings to perfection, accessory. Compliment, noun, admiration or expression of praise.
Examples. Compliment. I really love blueberries and cream because they complement each other.
Compliment. The lady gave the waiter a kind compliment after serving their food.
Let us use the words together. The client will surely compliment the engineers and architects of this condominium because they did a great job in making the unit and interior design complement each other.
Duel versus duel. Duel, adjective double or consisting of two parts.
Duel, noun. Fight or clash between two parties.
Examples. Duel. Jackson has dual degree as architect and engineer.
Duel. The car race turned out to be a great duel.
Let us use the words together. Steve will set up his dual monitors to watch a live duel tonight.
Loose versus loose. Loose, adjective not firmly or tightly attached.
Lose, verb. To fail or unable to find.
Examples. Loose. I prefer wearing a loose dress because it's comfortable.
Lose. Sometimes the best way to gain is to lose.
Let us use the words together. It is better to hold the saddle in a loose way than to lose the horse itself.
Tortuous versus torturous. Tortuous, adjective full of curves and twists.
Torturous, adjective causing pain and suffering.
Examples. Tortuous. The road I am taking is torturous.
Torturous. Why do you keep on bringing back the torturous experience on me?
Let us use the words together. Amelia's experiences in life were tortuous and torturous after she left the province.
You're in the mid part of the video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Let's check your knowledge. Direction, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. Ozzy began to blank normally. Number 2. The exercise requires proper blank. Number 3. His blank reeked of alcohol.
Letter A. Breath.
Letter B. Breathe.
The correct answers are: Number 1. Letter B. Ozzy began to breathe normally. Number 3. Letter A. His breath reeked of alcohol.
Number 4. The two suggestions of the new employees blank each other. Number 5. She didn't want to blank what she smelt like. Number 6. Ara thanked the people because of their genuine blank.
Letter A. Compliment.
Letter B. Compliment.
The correct answers are: Number 4. Letter A. The two suggestions of the new employees complement each other. Number 6. Letter B. Ara thanked the people because of their genuine compliments.
Number 7. The blank was continuous and completely dangerous. Number 8. He has blank nationality. Number 9. Kaya and Keller blank beautifully.
Letter A. Duel.
Letter B. Duel.
The correct answers are: Number 7. Letter B. The duel was continuous and completely dangerous. Number 8. Letter A. He has dual nationality.
Number 10. I can't afford to blank this battle. Number 11. I think, She was already blank when I entered the room. Number 12. She tucked her blank hair on her ears.
Letter A. Loose.
Letter B. Lose.
The correct answers are: number 10. Letter B. I can't afford to lose this battle. Number 12. Letter A. She tucked her loose hair on her ears.
Number 13. She blank her food because she was still mad. Number 14. Despite the blank event, Felicia still managed to do all things on her own. Number 15. We are going to climb the spiky and blank mountain.
Letter A. Torturous.
Letter B. Torturous.
The correct answers are: number 14. Letter B. Despite the torturous event, Felicia still managed to do all things on her own. Number 15. Letter A. We are going to climb the spiky and tortuous mountain.
Now, let us see how the students use the words we discussed.
It is really important that we warm up as a preparation before we engage in sports.
You're right. It is also a way to practice how to breathe properly.
In addition, you might be in trouble throughout the time when your body is not really prepared. Or worse, you might be out of breath.
It is possible. Anyway, did you watch the duel between Kainu and Gino?
Yes. I enjoyed it. I was surprised that Gino has dual roles during the duel.
He was really good. It made me nervous when Kainu held his weapon in a loose way, and I knew from there that he would lose from Gino.
Well, that's how game works. It's tortuous.
And torturous.
Right. But both Kainu and Gino got compliments from the viewers.
They're both good. Everything was nice actually. I love where they held the duel too.
The place complimented the event that happened.
Congratulations! You're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.